Hello everyone, my name is Sourav Maity and today we are going to do the 19th lesson of our course, that is HTML styling with CSS. First of all, we have studied before also how to apply CSS properties and what are the style attributes that we can apply to our HTML document. In today's lecture we will study about the brief history about the CSS and how are the ways we can apply CSS properties in the HTML, and in the coming course I will tell you about all the details about how CSS is applied in HTML. You can follow that course also, and let's start the topic guys. Styling HTML with CSS. CSS, what's the definition? Cascading style sheets. These are the style sheets in which the complete data is saved or how the styles are applied. CSS saves a lot of work where it can control the layout of multiple web pages all at once. CSS can be added to HTML elements in three ways. Let's study about these three ways. Inline element, by using the style attribute in HTML elements. Internal element, by using a style element in the head action. And external, by using external CSS file, that is using external linking. So we will study all this, how to apply all these attributes. Inline CSS, what do you mean by that? Inline CSS is used to apply unique styles to a single HTML element. We have seen this before also, how this applies. Now let's talk about an example. Doc type HTML, then we use the HTML tag, then the body tag, then we use h1 color blue. This is a blue heading, h1 close, body tag close, HTML tag close. When we close this and get the following output of this is the output we get. This is a blue heading. This is how inline tag is used. Means inline CSS means the style is applied inside the same tag only. So moving forward, let's talk about internal CSS. And internal CSS is used to define a style for a single HTML page. And internal CSS is defined in the head section of the HTML page within a style element. So this is by following example we do: doc type HTML, HTML tag, head tag, style tag, body, bracket start, background color powder blue, bracket close, h1 color blue, p color red, style close, head close. Then we write the body, h1, this is a heading, then h1 close, p tag, this is a paragraph, p tag close, body close, HTML close. This is how the complete document is written, and it is now over. So we can see the output of this. This is the output: powder blue background, this is a heading in blue, and this is a paragraph in red. These were the attributes that we have applied in the style tag inside the head section. So this is how internal CSS is used, and this is more beneficiary because we can even use the classes to define the CSS and make the classes of various tags same and apply all the properties to various tags, and it saves a lots of work. Let's talk about now external CSS. An external style sheet is used to define the style of many HTML pages. External CSS can change the look of the entire website by changing one file. So what that means is that external CSS is always saved with .css extension. It consists of the CSS style. You need to do the same thing. You need to save the style that you want to apply, and you can link it with this code. So let's talk about how to do this. Doc type HTML, then we write the HTML tag, then we write the head tag, then we write the h-link. REL means relative is equals to style sheet, href is equals to styles.css. This is the name of the web page or the content where we have saved the CSS property. Then we write head close, then body starts. After that we write h1, this is a heading, h1 close, then we write p, this is a paragraph, p close, then body close, then HTML close. When we close this, the complete HTML document is ready to be executed. You can try this over your own web browser and see how the output varies. The only thing you need to do is also create this page, styles.css. By this can be created in the same notepad. You need to just create the head tag, then you need to write this style tag. Inside that you need to give the various style attributes and saved it with styles.css. When you will link this, So the link will be applied to all these tags and you will get the following output: powder blue background, I have applied it, and blue color heading and red color paragraph. So this was the attribute that I have applied. Now talking about CSS fonts. The CSS color property defines the text color to be used. The CSS font family property defines the font to be used. The CSS font size property defines the text size to be used. These are the various font properties that we can see from the following example: doc type HTML, then HTML tag, then head tag, then we can use style, h1, bracket start, color blue, font family Verdana, font size 300%. Always remember that it closes with a semicolon tag, and this means the difference between the two. And then bracket close, then we complete the style tag, then we close the head tag, then we write the body tag, and h1, this is a heading, h1 close, body tag close, HTML tag close. So the complete document is now ready to be executed, and now we can see the output. This will the output is not available, but you can run this in your own web browser and see the output, how the CSS fonts are applied and what are the benefits of CSS fonts. Like this, you have applied all the three styles in the single document of heading. So this is the benefit. Now studying about CSS border property, how you can apply a border property. We can use p bracket start border 1px solid powder blue. 1px is the thickness, solid is the type, and powder blue is the color that you're applying to your border. So this is how you can apply the CSS border property. Now let's talk about CSS padding. Padding means the space around the text and borders. So how we apply this, we can use the example p border 1px solid powder blue padding 30px. Now bracket close, and we can run this over our own web browser. Now let's start about the CSS margin. How a margin is applied. It is the space outside the border. We can apply using p bracket start border 1px solid powder blue and margin 50px, and this is how a margin is applied. Now we need to link external references. External style sheets can be referenced to within a full URL or with a path relative to the current web page. This example uses a full URL to link a style sheet. Like this, you can also specify link relative equals to style sheet, href is equals to this link. So this is how you specify a external references. This was the topic for the day, guys. If you have any doubt, then you can ask me from the comment section. I hope you liked my video. Thank you.